I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select. Mail meant. Connect. Next. Choose actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to MailMint Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailMint. Thanks for watching.